Hi team, this is Jay from Team Concept Squad. I am directly going to our project. We, we named our ideas Woman in Pink and this is our logo. It's look cute, right? I'm going to next slide. So this is our agenda. Case study which we follow to build our project. That's the first slide which we are going to follow. And the next one is we have built two projects for this event. One is a website and the other one is an app. Then the technical design of our project. Then the next one is next. What are the future improvements we plan to integrate with our project? And last not but the least, links to our website and the link to download our app which we built. Let's get started. Initially, the case study details. Case study is to develop a technology solution that promotes and enhances the general welfare of millions of women around the world. So when we hear about the case study initially, none of our team members don't have much knowledge on breast cancer. Then we started to gather as much of details on breast cancer from internet and the persons which we are aware on that breast cancer disease, and we gain more knowledge from them and from the internet. That helped a lot while we developed our project. Let's move to our next slide. This this is our first project, Woman in Pink website. This website is basically contains details on breast cancer to make everyone aware about what is breast cancer, how to cure it, and how to prevent it. Moreover, it has functionality to check whether the user have breast cancer or not based on their input in the UI. So we have a user-friendly UI for this our website. So you can open that. I have shared that URL of our website at the end of this slide. You can open our website and you can experience our website. So based on the backend logic we have written, it will predict whether the user have breast cancer or not. And our website is also contains more number of FAQs, which will help the users to know more about the breast cancer. Also, we have include more details on the male breast cancer, which only few only knows all over the world. So we try to include few details on male breast cancer also. Let's move to next slide. So these are the technology we use in our website development. Those are so the front backend which we developed in Python with Flask framework, and the front end which we developed using Jinja 2 and the Bootstrap. Let's move to next slide. This is the video demo which we prepared based on the website we developed. So I am skipping this video demo due to time constraint. So you can go through our website in the link which we have mentioned at the end of this PPT. So next our project is Woman in Pink Android application. Basically, it is an Android web view app. We built this app based on the website we built. So the backend is the same website only. So we are trying to include more application features in this Android application in future. So this is the video demo of our application. So I will just run through it. While opening this, the UI will show. So you could see one home button and two buttons like predict and FAQ to easy access those two features. So this is how the app look like. So like symptoms and everything, we have put some images to easy understood by the user which who access our app or website. So this is the form which you are able to predict the whether the user have breast cancer or not. So this is the form. So the user want to enter or the user want to input some values in this form which mentioned in that form itself. So based on that they want to fill that, and at last there should be one button predict the cancer. So once that click, our backend logic will be performed and it will show whether the user have breast cancer or not. So I'm moving to next slide. Technical design of our prototype. So I already mentioned we have built our backend service in Python and Python with the Flask framework, and the front end with Bootstrap and Jinja. So once we develop our code, we have deployed that in Heroku, which is a cloud platform, and we have exposed few URL from Heroku or our app, and using that URL or endpoint, the user can access our website. The same URL which we use to use in our Android app, WebView app. So the same URL will be called in Android app, our Android app too. So this is the technical design of our prototype or our app project. I am moving to next slide. Future improvements. Due to time limitations, we haven't included much of our ideas in this both of our website and Android project. So we will not be leave this project as it is. So we will add our all of our ideas in this both website and Android app, and we will publish this to entire world who are suffering with breast cancer or who is looking to learn more about breast cancer. So we will be publishing this in this breast cancer awareness month itself. So few of them are we have mentioned here. One is a forum for everyone who can share their experience with the world. Then integrate with Google Map with our Android app and share the nearby hospital that can do checkup of breast cancer. Then testimonial from celebrities who suffered with breast cancer before, and personal space to notify the registered user to follow different steps to overcome breast cancer and how to cure it. Like few details we will be publishing. Also we are looking more features to add into our Android app, like notifications and to do exercise and to follow a daily routine task to overcome the breast cancer disease. I move to next slide. So these are the links to our projects. The first one is the URL of our website. Once you click on here, it will redirect to our website and you can explore more details from there. And the next one is Android app APK file. So you can click here, it will redirect to GitHub. So we have added our Android app APK there. So you can download it and you can install it in your phone to explore more on our app. I'm going to next slide. That's it from our end. So thank you for your time to hear from us and to hear our idea. Have a nice day.